Alright guys, here's a little more detail on how to install the hideaways in the reverse lens. This particular truck, Chevy Silverado, was all incandescent. I'm not sure if I've done one of these on film yet or not, all incandescent, but no LED whatsoever. So one of the first things we did, when you look at this, you'll see there was a little bit of plastic gusset under here at first. We went ahead and took that off, got rid of it, and you can see right there is where we drilled our hole. We used our nice washers that match up the size of this particular hideaway to trace it out. Drill the hole right through there, clean it all out beautifully. You can see there's the hideaway inside the light. Basically faces straight sideways like that. There's your internal shot of it right there. And then what we do is we heat up the wire just a little bit to soften it. We massage it so nicely to kind of go flat like that. And that way it'll tuck away behind the light. We want to stay out of this recess in here and here because that's for like tailgate bolt. So we're going to keep the wire going kind of straight back like that. And I believe we'll end up zip tying it probably to the reverse harness. So that's how the hideaways are installed. Here's the other light right there. And then, as I said, that's your tail lights there. This is the absolute non-LED version. I know for sure I've got a video very similar on the LED version too. So here's the info for the hideaways. Pretty easy install.